Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Nimbus Screenshot extension on Google Chrome. Now first, what I need for you to do is come over here to the Google Chrome browser, open it up. Then from there I want you to grab the URL I pasted in the description and put it in your search bar because it'll take you straight to the Chrome Web Store. So here, right click, paste and then enter. Then from there what I want you to do is come up here to this top left hand corner, click on this little search bar, type in Nimbus Screenshot. Ooh, my fault. Nimbus Screenshot. Then from there, what I want you to do is to click on this first extension. And then from there, I want you to click on this blue Add to Chrome button, and then a box is going to pop up asking you if you want to add the extension. Just click Add Extension. Then from there, it'll install the extension straight onto your Google Chrome. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.